The next Tencent gem is Kanga Exchange, and I just don't see how you can lose money investing in IEO in this project. So Tencent gave huge gains to early investors, MetaHero as well. And Kanga Exchange is just easy 10 to 100x long term or mid term. So you want to make sure to get in early, alright? And its IEO is gonna be tomorrow. So they've been already working on the project for 3 years, and this is already there, this is already working and everything. They just have an IEO of their KNG token. So look, in this video I'm exactly gonna show you how you can take part in the IEO of this token, and later I'm gonna show you where you can take part in sale of this token if you're not subscribed to Tencent Launchpad. So exactly step by step I'm gonna show you how you can take part in the IEO. It's very simple, but you gotta do some things and you gotta be whitelisted. Before we start, remember that there's nothing sure in cryptos. I'm not a financial advice on this video, is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do your own research, ZR. This is where we are right now. This is where it's gonna be IEO, and this is where it's gonna be a sale of KNG token on 27th, alright? So today is 22nd. So look, today is 22nd, and tomorrow is the day of pre-sale for Tencent investors on the IEO. So if you want to take part in this IEO, in this pre-sale, only for Tencent subscription owners, you need to have their subscription. So currently their offer is expired, so new offer is probably going to be announced after this IEO of Kanga Exchange, and probably for the next gem, for upcoming new project, they're gonna have new offer. But if you've already subscribed and locked your Tencent tokens on their gem launch platform, then you are able to take part in this pre-sale, alright? But if you're willing to invest in that pre-sale, you need to be subscribed, and you also need to sign in here in Kanga Exchange. So first thing you want to do is register on Kanga, right? If you want to register on Kanga Exchange, you can use my link in the description. It's the simplest possible way. Then you'll make sure that this is not fake, this is legit. So use this link, quickest way to register, and you'll be sure that this is the legit Kanga site, right? So the second thing you want to do to take part in the IEO, you need to send any coin from your private wallet on which you subscribed to Tencent Launchpad platform. So you need to send any coin that is listed on Kanga Exchange, alright? You can check it here. So this is IEO section on the Kanga Exchange. So this is what you're gonna see if you're not logged into Kanga Exchange, alright? This is what are you gonna see if you already have your account on Kanga Exchange, but if you're not whitelisted. It means that if you're not transferred any coin from your private wallet, which is subscribed to Launchpad platform, to Tencent Launchpad platform, and if you already send your tokens from your private wallet that is connected to Launchpad Tencent platform, you're gonna see something like this, that you are on the participant list. If you're gonna see this, that means that you're whitelisted and that you're gonna be able to buy on 23rd September, that you're gonna be able to buy KNG tokens on the price of $2, alright? So if you're gonna be whitelisted, you're also gonna have something like this, and it means that tomorrow you're gonna be able to take part in the IEO. So in my opinion, the IEO is gonna take around 1 minute and it's gonna be sold. So Kanga is partnered with MetaHero and with Tencent. Alright, so look, another thing is 27. Then the trade-in is gonna be returned, and it's gonna be KNG, and the trade-in pair is gonna be KNG to USDT, right? So this is gonna be the first pair that you're gonna be able to buy on 27th. So there is probably going to be so many people also buying in here on that date. So if you're not able, or if you're not whitelisted in here, you can try to buy it on that date, and you may also get some good price before it pumps. Or if you want to really hold long term, this may be a really good time to buy as well. So when it comes to Kanga, it has so many features that no other exchange has, and this has huge potential in the future. Also, it has features like POS, like staking KNG tokens for a passive income, alright? So this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in another one.